In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your MetaTrader 4 app. So you can either do this on Android smartphone or on an iPhone. It is still possible. To do it on your Android smartphone, you'll need to access Google Play Store. However, if you're using an iPhone, then you can do it from your App Store. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to use my Android smartphone to update MetaTrader 4 to the latest version. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to update your app, it is quite simple. Just head over and look for Google Play Store, and here is my Google Play Store. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, go ahead and search for your app. And here is our app. Now from here, go ahead and tap on it. And then look for any update if it is available. By updating your app, you'll be able to get a more secure app, and you'll also get to enjoy the latest version or the latest features that come with this app. This action will also help you to fix most of the problems or errors you might be experiencing with this app. So if you see here, we have an option called update, then it means you have been using an outdated or older version of MetaTrader 4 Forex trading app. Go ahead and tap on update app, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version and then install it. Once it is installed, now you can tap on open to start using your app. For my case, I cannot update it because I already have the latest app on my Android smartphone. So that's how you update your MetaTrader 4 app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.